Okay, so I have some more things to report here. That has happened today. So I've opened some mail. Superior Court does need me to fill out this docketing statement, which they have 4 appeals going, which there should be 5. So basically it's just the same worksheet that I always fill out. So this will be for the emergency hearing that is now sealed, and the court or the judge has had sealed in my record, so no one can find it. So that would be number 5. So there's still one lost, and I'm just moving forward with what we have here. I don't have time to be the FBI, you know. So, and then judge, since I have to read over it some more, but basically it's just following up with my appeals. She's writing to Dear Mrs. Wagner, who is Bobby Joe Wagner, who works in the pathonetary office of the Superior Court. Apparently she is the one making the decisions here. So basically, I mean, judge has told me how many times that she don't care if I appeal. Well, obviously, there's pages and pages up here that, yes, she does care. So basically, and she's even saying here that since this falls into the category of a children's fast track appeal, it could delay her hearing. It could delay her making a final order still. So this is what she's been delaying for 2 years, so that I cannot appeal, and so she can keep my kids from me. And so the children's fast track case is supposed to be a benefit, which I asked Adam Grzelski about this a while ago, and he told me it basically means nothing. And I think that he may be correct. But Judge Benoni is now going to use it, I guess, as a way to not make a final decision, to potentially delay a final order in this matter, is what she's saying. The court believes that these matters fall into the category of children's fast-track appeals, as they directly relate to this court's ability to hear the pending custody trial, which could potentially delay a final order in this matter. Well, I need a final order, please. So Adam Grzelski already gave his report to the court, which the judge requested only the report to allow me the 3 hours on Christmas. Well, I guess since I ripped it up on my video, which who is watching my videos really? Adam, Jennifer Yoha, over and over and over again, a few select attorneys, and occasionally if I share one on Facebook, who I have 300 friends that are 98% all from Ohio and don't know who you all are, but they're worried about me and they want to know what's going on with me, because they know this is not deserved. So why you all care? But Adam, so since I ripped up Adam's report, I guess he felt like he had to do a new report, which is basically the exact same, except basically he's telling my kids that he doesn't want me to record them. Well, guess what? They're my kids, and I will record them whenever I want. I will record them whenever I want, and you are the problem making my children feel like they shouldn't be recorded by their mom. Well, guess what? Who's watching these? My stalkers, or a few fans who are interested in this crazy saga or think this is interesting that I'm documenting it. And that I should document it, because at this point, like, I just left Eric D a message today with my demand, which is what it's called, which I could have done it in writing, but how many times have Eric and I communicated, or how many times have I contacted him through writing or phone, or just bumping into him on the street? But regardless, he knows what I want, so I left him a message just saying, I've turned Adam into the bar. I'm sure you know what I'm up to if you're watching my videos. I turned Adam into the bar today, and I'm sure that the bar is reading about this case and the story and knows Adam is far from the only attorney involved here, and attorneys making mistakes considering the situation here. So while I'm on a roll, what would that mean? That would mean Eric D is next. But I'm trying to throw him a bone. Like, I don't know why. Because I have a heart for some people. And Eric D has destroyed my whole life. But here we are. So I left him a message like, Eric, it's Jen. Please contact your client to talk some sense into him. You know, I need a minimum of 50% custody immediately. And I would like to settle this divorce. We need to sell the house. I need half the cars, half my retirement, which I could be entitled to much more than half of my retirement, considering I was a stay-at-home mom for the duration of our marriage. I need my spousal support, but regardless, I need to know by 5 o'clock today if we can work this out before the trial with 50% custody. If I don't hear from him by 5 o'clock today, that he can work this out, then first thing in the morning, I'll be up early and I will just turn him into the bar next. Judy Petrash, I'm assuming district attorney, can be turned into the bar too. She's on the list. So bring some more attention, eyes on what the hell is going on here. So those are my updates. And I love my kids and we don't deserve any of this. And yes, Gino is a rapist. And yes, it was proven in court and he admitted it on the stand because he was caught through text messages that he sent me. And it's all in our PFA hearing. And this is abuse to me. So you all can lie, the guardian included. I had a 3-year PFA against my spouse, which is virtually never happens for that long with a spouse, for a reason. And this guy has got all these charges against me. I'll have to do a little tutorial, whatever, seminar on the mafia Jazbali family. And yeah, if anyone has 50 grand laying around that I could buy my kids back, because I have talked to some attorneys and like the Cookie Monster, and basically that's what it's going to take, is I have to buy my children back at a large lump sum of money and make a deal with all of these people in this court. Eric D, the judge, Adam now. So there's my story, and here we go.